Good morning, students. Hope you have understood conductor. Now the second mode of transfer of heat. It is convection. Conduction occurs in solid only. Convection occurs in liquid and gas both. You must have seen parachute moving upward into the sky. This is because hot air causes it to rise upward as it becomes warmer and lighter than the rest of the environment. Heat gets transferred to the air, hence it rises. This is actually due to the convectional property of heat. When a liquid or a gas is heated, there is a flow of particles from the hot part to the cold part of the same liquid or gas, from hot part to colder part. And at the same time, colder particles move from their place to the hotter region of the medium. In this manner, the entire medium becomes hot after some times. Convection does not occur in solid. Now let's perform an activity to show the convection in liquid. Here is the activity. Material, you have to take potassium permanganate, a round flask and water. Procedure is pour some cold water in the round flask. Put a piece of potassium permanganate crystals. Turn on the gas and heat the water. You will see the purple color of potassium permanganate rises up to the water surface and then sinks down. First it goes up to the water surface and then sinks down. This movement of purple color streaks show the convection currents setting up in liquid. This activity shows that convection takes place in liquid and gas both. This type of activity occurs in both liquid and gas. Convection requires movement of particles, whereas in conduction, no particles are moving, only the heat is moving by the vibration. Here, movement of particles occurring from one place to another place. So it happens in liquid and gas, but not in solid. Now come to the application. Application, you know where it is used? Okay. Its best example is sea bridge and land bridge. You have to understood what is sea bridge and land bridge. But before starting sea bridge and land bridge, one thing you should know, that when the sun shines, the solid land, the land is solid, so land gets heated to a higher temperature more quickly than the liquid seawater. And at night time, the hot land cools much faster than the warm seawater. Means land cools first, land becomes hot first. Means, okay, you understood? Now come to sea bridge. During daytime, when sun shines, land gets heated than seawater faster. So the hot air above the land rises upward the cooler air from over the sea, moves towards the land in the form of a cool breeze to take place of the hot rising air. When the hot air of land moves upward, there is a vacuum near land, so the air from the seaside, they rushed to take over the vacant place in the form of a cool breeze. Breeze means pleasant air. To take place, the hot rising air blowing from the sea towards the land, and this is called sea breeze because it starts from sea, comes to land, so it is called sea breeze. Sea breeze blows only during daytime when land is hotter than sea. Maybe it is clear. Second is land breeze. I will show you some picture of land breeze and sea breeze later in this part. Now come to land breeze. At night time, the hot land cools much faster than the warm sea water. Land cools fast. So due to this, land becomes cool very quickly, but the sea water remains warm for a much longer time. So during night, the hot air over the warm sea rises upward and cooler air from the land blows in towards the sea in the form of a breeze to take place of the hot rising air. Here, air or breeze flows from land to sea. The breeze blowing from land towards the sea is called sea breeze because it is blowing towards, this is called land breeze. So because it is blowing from land. Land breeze blows only during night time when sea water is hotter than land. So this is all for today. Next day we will start radiation. Look at some picture. This is convection. The water in a beaker is heated in a convection. You can see the convection current. It goes up and again comes down and sinks. Goes up and sinks. In the next picture, this is same thing. Activity to show convection in a flask. It is going upward and then coming back in a round movement. This is the air above the candle flame gets heated by convection. Hot air, cold air. Hot air goes up, cold air comes down. This is sea breeze. Sea breeze means air or breeze coming from sea to land. It is in the daytime. And this is land breeze. Air moving from land to sea in the night time. Land breeze occurs in night. Sea breeze occurs in daytime when sun shines. Hope you have understood. Watch video, then you will understand. That's all for today. Thank you.